Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a task card worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. We're going to pick out a template that we like. Now we have a lot of great options and I think I'm going to go with this one with the animals. Just click the copy template button that's right below and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize this template. This is where we get to add any characters, items, update the text, whatever it is that we want to do. So first I would like to add a character to help me take care of all these animals. So let's go up to our character menu and let's search under the jobs category. I feel like we can find a farmer. Here we go. So just to add a character, just drag and drop them into the storyboard. And now we get to customize them. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, colors, any changes that we want to make. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your character, just click Update Pose, and there we go. Now, you can move your character anywhere you want in your storyboard, as well as resize them. To resize them, just drag the corner of your image, and there we go. All right, now next is items. Now you can search the items menu, go through all of these fun categories, but if there's something specific that you want, just go to the upper right hand menu and the search and type in what you need. I would like a wheelbarrow to help our farmer feed these animals, so let's search for wheelbarrow. All right, we got a few options. Let's go with this green one here. Just drag and drop into your storyboard, and there we go. Now we're going to resize this, it's a little big. Just like our character, just drag the corner of the image. All right, now you can also change the color of this wheelbarrow. If you go to your right hand menu, you have a few nice pre-selected colors, but I think I like that green, so let's just go back to that. All right, now next is background image. So the goal of having these task cards would be to print them out in the end. So I don't need a color to fill in the whole space. We don't need to waste printer ink. So let's just add a little something for fun and see how it works. So if we go up to our scenes menu, I'm going to go over to the patterns category just to find something simple. All right, let's grab a solid color like this yellow. Just drag and drop into your storyboard. And if you wanted to fill the entire frame, all you have to do is click stretch to fill and click non-proportional. Click OK. And now that fills the entire frame really nicely, so we don't have to worry about stretching anything manually. And if you want to send it all the way to the back, so you can see everything, just click this button here, and there we go. But I don't really need it because I want to print this out in the end. So to delete your item, just make sure it is selected, go to your right hand menu and click delete. All right, now next is text. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select your item, now these are all text boxes, and put in your own words. So let's put in feed the animals. All right, now I want this font to be different and I'd also like this text to be much larger. So let's highlight what we want to change. And if we go over to our text editor, we can select a new font. Let's go with something that's nice and handwritten. All right, I think that looks pretty good. And let's make this much, much larger. All right, there we go. Now you can fill out the rest of the text cards with whatever you would like, make checklists, do whatever you need to do. And when you're all done with your task cards, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button that's in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a task card template using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.